What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video and another install on Lana. If y'all don't know, I own a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road 4x4 and I named her Lana. Go ahead and give her a follow. I'll put the IG tag somewhere on the screen. ISSYAUTO sent me bed lights for my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. For those that own a 2020 or 2021 and those that buy the 2022, we have an option from factory to get bed lights right here. So the truck is already wired for these. There's no additional wire harness that you have to buy. Literally, this is a plug and play, and I'll show you where the wire is in just a few. But yeah, so we have it on both sides, one right there and one right over here. Great packaging as always, even bubble wrapped. With one purchase, you get both. Obviously, they come as a pair with the wire harness already attached, like you would from factory. So there is no right or left. I could use this on my right or my left. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So this is what it is. They come with 3 LED diodes inside. In order to install these, you have to remove your tail lights. All it is just a 10mm socket, and you're gonna remove this bolt and this bottom bolt right down here on both sides of the headlights. And then there are 2 pins right here and one right here. Don't be afraid. Once you remove the bolts, go ahead and just give it a tug and it'll come out. Now that I got both bolts taken out, if you notice, it's not giving, it's not coming out. That's because of the 2 pins that are back here. All you got to do is just pull towards you. So grab it from up top, grab it from right here, and just pull it towards you. And then the bottom one always tends to stay in a bit, so just pull it out. And then right here, this harness right here, it just comes out from its place. That way it gives you enough slack to just wrap it around and place it right here. So like I said, Tacoma is already pre-wired for this bed light on both sides, and that wire is right here. All it's held in is just with a couple clips, and it pops off just like that. This right here is just like a dead end, it's a dummy plug. To install this, all you have to do is just come right over here, and these pop off just like that. Really simple. The top, it's notched just like that, and then the bottom has a little clip. The lights are the same way. So the way you took it off is the way you're going to install. So this will be the top and this will be the bottom, and then you'll just feed the harness through the hole. So go ahead, do that, and then up top, this little part right here will go right in here. It'll just clip in just like that. That's the harness that shows right there. So all you're gonna do is just reach in and pull it out. Take off this dummy plug, and then just go ahead and connect both harnesses together. Like I said, it's just plug and play. Real quick, I should show you guys. So this is what the pins look like in the back. That one right up there and this one, and they plug in right here and right in there, and that is what holds the taillight in, even though you take out both bolts. All right, and just like that, bed lights have been installed. Shout out ISSYAUTO. If you want these, I'll go ahead and link them down in the description box. Go ahead and check them out. Oh, and don't forget, I'm also doing a giveaway. I'll put the link to the video with all the details in the description, so go ahead and check that out to be entered. You do have to be a 3rd gen owner though. Sorry to all my 2nd gen and 1st gen, but yeah, no hate, but I explain why in the video, so go ahead and check it out. All right, so I'll go ahead and put a clip right now of how these look at night, so you could see exactly how much it illuminates the bed. Like, you guys will not regret this. So hopefully you guys like the video. Hit the like button, subscribe for future installs, and let me know, what do you guys think about those bed lights? Are they worth it? In my opinion, they're so worth it. Link in the description, guys. So that's it, guys. I'm out. It's hot. Don't forget, guys, live life.